Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA and it's now acting as resistance here on the 4-hour chart. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had here on the 4-hour chart, which is a descending channel, which has managed to give us a breakout to the lower side, and that breakout to the lower side has also managed to get us back into this red target area, which is down here. And the good thing is that Gala Games has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that we are seeing the formation of this second wave. And before I give you my next price targets to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in blue having the wave 5 making its peak at around the 0.06342 mark. And after seeing the high for that fifth wave to the upside, I believe Gala Games completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow. And after seeing the formation of that first wave to the upside, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and I believe that is what is playing out, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2, using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gives me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that target area lies between the $0.04509 mark and the $0.03386 mark, and it is within this red target area that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And once the low for that second wave is in, then we can expect a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this wave 2, where you can see that in the formation of this wave 2 we have also lost the 20-day MA, which is now acting as resistance, fully supporting the formation of that second wave. We have also seen a breakout out of this descending channel that we had over here, which has been well respected, giving us more than 3 touch points, and the channel has given us a breakout to the lower side, and that breakout to the lower side has managed to get us into this red target area, within which I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave. So there are chances that we might continue pushing a little bit lower to fully maximize this red target area, and once we fully maximize it and also see the low for that second wave, I'll be expecting a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature, I will also be expecting to see a 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and also a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.06363 mark will be enough confirmation that whatever we'll be seeing at that moment will be the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. But for now, I'm still expecting even lower prices to fully maximize our red target area, and I believe the formation of this wave 2 is another perfect entry into Gala Games, so that we can be able to ride this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 24 mark, meaning we have managed to get into the overbought region, and on the RSI we cannot support further movements to the lower side because we have managed to get into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting lower prices in the formation of that wave 2. And if I also take a look at the volume indicator to see what we have on the volume indicator, you can see that at some point we had seen an increase in the selling volume, and that is the move that triggered this move to the lower side, which gave us a breakout to the lower side of the channel, and also managed to get us into this red target area, within which I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, where you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has given us the low for that second wave. And after seeing the low for the second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And here on the daily chart, I have a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $1.36017 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala games to do on the long-term scenarios. So those are my short-term and also the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.